Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add and change sizes for products in your Ecwid store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page, where in the upper right corner you can get started logging into your account. So if you do not already have one, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here where the left side screen. You can take a look at all the sections you can access, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started adding sizes for our products. What we're looking for guys is right here at the left side screen. We want to open up the catalog option. By putting our mouse on catalog, is going to open up this new drop down menu with multiple sections, and as you can see, we can take a look at the products option. So by clicking products right here, we can take a look at all the products that we currently have, and if you want to create a new product, you can just click add new product in the upper left corner where we can get started. So here you can get started with adding all your basic info, such as the name of the product. You can upload images, description, and so on. And what you're looking for guys is right here in the options tab. So by clicking on options right here guys, as you can see, currently I cannot access it, but I'm going to show you in a different product. So you can see by leaving this page, I'm going to edit one of the products. So let's say you have inputted all the info. By clicking options right here, as you can see, you're going to have your size variety. So you can go ahead and manage what kind of sizes you're selling for your product. As you can see, you can add even more product options if you want. And once you're satisfied with all the sizes that you have added, you can just go ahead and save it, click add new product, and after that you can exit out and the sizes will be saved, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.